Good morning. So right now we're going to go through the guided class practice 108A. And first off, let's start with our date. So it says draw a 1 1/4 inch line segment. So let's find an inch and a quarter. And here's our inch, and here's our 1 1/2. And it's the second longest line, so it would be right here is an inch and a quarter. Okay, and then it says add 2 inches to make it 2 inches longer. So 2 1/4 would be 1 inch, and then 3 1/4 would be 2 inches longer. So I'm going to put a dot at 3 1/4, and then I'm going to draw my line. So how long is it? 3 1/4 inches. Okay, number 1. Alicia, Barry, Fred, and Janet will share 24 crackers. Draw a napkin for each child. Draw a picture to show the crackers on each child's napkin. How many crackers will each child receive? Well, we have 4 people that are sharing crackers, so let's divide our rectangle into fourths to represent 1 for each person. And we're going to share 24 crackers. So let's do like we've done in our other lessons with our buttons, and we're going to distribute 24 evenly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay. And it says, how many crackers will each child receive? Well, we had 24 crackers. And we divided it by 4 people, which equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 crackers per person. So our answer is 6 crackers. Okay. Number 2, what is a reasonable estimate for the weight of a small dog? Well, 150 pounds, that's about the size of an adult. That would be a really big dog. So I don't think that is a small dog. So let's cross that off. And 80 pounds is about the size of, I'd say, first, second, or third grader. So I think that's a pretty big dog too. So I'd cross that off. Now we're down to a pound and 10 pounds. A pound would be probably like a bag of rice. A small bag of rice would be a pound. So that would be a pretty small dog. So I would say that 10 pounds is a closer estimate. So let's circle 10 pounds. Number 3, write each number in expanded form. Well, first off, let's start with the number in the hundredths space. And so we would need 500 plus 80 would equal 580. And for our next one, we have 1,056. So we would start with 1,000 plus, we don't have anything in the hundreds position, so we're not going to add anything, plus 50 plus 6. Okay, on number 4, find the products. 13 times 1,000. Remember, first we're going to write 13, and we're going to add 3 zeros because we multiplied it by that. So 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 13,000. Okay. 8 times 1,000. Again, I'm going to write 8, and then I'm going to add 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 8,000. Now on this one, a little bit harder. Let's start with our 40 because that's what we have. And now we're going to add 1, 2. So 1, 2. So again, don't get confused though about the 0 up here. Still write this number first and then add the number of zeros there is at the end. Okay, and on the next one, first write 7. Now we're going to add 1, 2 zeros. So add your 2 zeros and you should have 700. And number 5, these are pies. How much pie is left? So we are going to start here, and our whole number is, how many whole pies do we have left? Is 1. And if we were to have divided this pie into fourths, we have only 1 of the fourths left. Okay, so it would be 1 1/4, meaning I have 1 whole pie and I have 1 of those 4 pieces is left. Okay, How much pie was eaten? Well, we have 1 whole pie, we have 2 whole pie, and then we had the pie was divided into fourths, and how many were eaten? 1, 2, 3. So our whole number is 2, and for our fraction, we'd have 3 of the 4 pieces were eaten. Okay. On number 6, find the answers and check subtraction answers by adding. So if I have 2, can I take away 8? No, so I gotta borrow. So take away 1 from your 9, and then your 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You should have got 4. Okay, 8 minus 1 is 7, and 6 minus 3 is 3. Now let's add it back. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Drop the 2, carry the 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. And 3 plus 3 is 6. So we should have got 692, which should match this top number up here. And if you did it correctly, those will match. And we did. Okay. On the second one, if I have nothing, I can't take 7 away. So I got to borrow. So this, and then I take from here, but because that's a 0, I have to go 1 more over. So my 4 becomes a 3, my 0 becomes a 9, because that was 10, and now my 0 becomes a 10, because I took a 10 group over to it. So 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 9 is 0, and 3 minus 1 is 2. Now I'm going to add it back. So 7 plus 3 is 10. Drop your 0, carry your 1. 9 plus 0 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So again, drop your 0, carry your 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So our answer is 400, and we started with 400 at the top. So those are correct. Okay, our last one, 7 plus 2 is 9. 4 plus 8 is 12. Okay, don't forget to bring your decimal down. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Okay, 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 1 is 12. I'm trying to go slow to give you a chance to add it. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Bring down your comma. 9 plus 8 is 17, correct. And 3 plus 2 is
5.
Plus 1 is 6. Don't forget to bring down your $sign as well. So how would I say this? $67,523.29. Alrighty, good luck on the B side. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.